I want to show you how to make a glitch effect in Premiere Pro. So I have a video clip of a creepy hooded figure in some water, and we want to create a dramatic glitch stutter effect to make it even cooler than this. The first thing we want to do is duplicate the video clip by holding Alt and clicking and dragging the clip above the original. Go over to Effects, type in Strobe Light, and drag it on top of the duplicated clip. Go over and change the strobe duration to 0.1 seconds, and then, starting from the beginning of the video clip, go over and click the stopwatch icon beside Random Strobe Probability. Now, move the slider to the end of the clip and change this value to 100%. Now, change the strobe to Make Layer Transparent. Now, move the duplicated clip ahead slightly so the video is offset with the original about half a second. Go over to Effects and find the VR Chromatic Aberrations effect and drag it on top of your duplicated clip. Go over and under Lumetri Color, find the Creative tab and go down and change the saturation to 0. If you don't see the Lumetri Color tab, go over to Window and click on Lumetri Color. The last step is to change the scale of the duplicated clip to about 10 digits higher than the default. Usually, this will be about 110 up from 100. Now you have a spooky glitch stutter effect for your cinematic videos.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.